Alex thought they were searching for an old tree, but when he, Elena, and Noah finally saw it, they realized they were standing before something far older than they imagined.
Alex looked at the twisted trunk and asked the question everyone was thinking. How old could this tree actually be? Elena knew the answer might be extraordinary.
Elena explained that this wasn't an ordinary pine. Bristlecone pines are among the oldest living trees on Earth, surviving for thousands of years.
But the real mystery was how it survived. Freezing temperatures, violent winds, rocky soil, and very little water make this one of the harshest places for a tree to live.
Then Elena revealed the tree's secret. It grows incredibly slowly. In this brutal environment, slow growth can actually help the tree survive for thousands of years.
The three researchers began to imagine what this tree had witnessed. Decade after decade, century after century, it simply kept growing while the world around it changed.
Then Elena made the comparison that stunned them, meaning this kind of tree was thousands of years old, long before the United States was founded in 1776.
Think about that. While civilizations changed, technologies appeared, and generations came and went, this tree remained here, silently recording time through its wood.
When Elena finally gave them the number, more than 4,000 years for some bristlecone pines, Alex and Noah could barely believe it. This tree had witnessed an unimaginable amount of history.
As the three stood beneath it, they realized they weren't just looking at an old tree. They were looking at a living time machine, one that had been alive long before America ever existed.
But there was something Alex hadn't realized yet. The tree wasn't just old. Its twisted body was hiding clues about thousands of years of history.
Elena explained that every layer of wood is like a page in a giant natural diary. Droughts, cold years, and good years can all leave their mark. And those rings reveal something fascinating. This tree has survived extreme changes in climate before. In a way, it's been keeping a record of Earth's changing conditions.
Noah suddenly asked the question nobody could answer. If this tree could remember everything, what would it tell us?
When this tree was already centuries old, there were no skyscrapers, no highways, no smartphones, and America didn't even exist yet.
Some bristlecone pines have survived for more than 4,000 years. 4,000 years of winters, summers, storms, and silence.
That means some of these trees were already alive when ancient civilizations were rising and falling. They are older than countless kingdoms, cities, and empires.
And here's the strangest part. Much of the tree can look completely dead. Its survival in its most extreme form.
Alex looked at Elena and asked, "So how much longer can it survive?" Elena paused, because the answer wasn't as simple as he expected.
And maybe that's the most incredible part. After thousands of years, the tree is still here, still growing, still surviving, and its story isn't over yet.
Alex finally got his answer. Elena told him that the tree doesn't survive because it's strong in the usual sense. It survives because it knows how to sacrifice. When conditions become too harsh, the tree can let parts of itself die. It keeps only what it needs and protects the living sections.
Alex couldn't believe what he was seeing. Much of the trunk could be dead, while a surprisingly small strip remained alive, still carrying water and nutrients through the tree.
Noah stared at the tree during the snowfall. Then he realized something incredible. This tree may have experienced thousands of winters just like this one. Then the mountain showed them exactly what this tree had been fighting for thousands of years. A violent storm swept across the ridge. For thousands of years, storms like this came and went. The tree didn't chase the weather. It simply endured it. And then, almost as quickly as it arrived, the storm disappeared. The mountain became silent again, and the ancient tree was still standing.
Elena smiled. The tree's greatest strength wasn't fighting everything around it. It was adapting, conserving energy, and simply refusing to give up.
Alex looked at the tree one more time and wondered, if it has survived for thousands of years, how many more years does it have left?
Maybe that's the real mystery. We know how old this tree is, but we don't know how much longer its story will continue. For now, it's still standing.